Quick access SAM recap. Create the customer's query, add fields, sort by last name, and save. Fix homeowner's premium, remove custom error and set premium over 2000. Update liability or property to show 75K values. In comparison birth, add first name and filter DOB before 1950. Sort state descending and city ascending in state city sort. Set liability and property both to 100K. Michigan customers needs state equals me, and customer city starts with all. Join customers and renters to show last name, policy number, and premium. Add a state parameter, sort property damage descending for the top 5. Create total coverage, average the premium, identify customers without homes, and list unique states. Powered by Help in Homework, where quality meets deadline. Need fast help with your assignments? Hit us up on WhatsApp at 447-309-655-268. We've got you covered.